Water, the origin of life. It nourishes the earth. It sustains every living being. From gentle streams to endless oceans, it flows with timeless grace. Beneath its surface lie secrets yet unseen, treasures untouched, worlds waiting to be revealed. The depths call to us. They whisper of discovery. They invite us to explore the last great frontier. To some it is beauty, to others it is power. But for us, water is possibility. It drives curiosity, it fuels innovation, it immerses us endlessly in pursuit of what lies beyond. Together we journey into the unknown. We chase what others cannot see. We discover more. We live more. We become more. Water, the eternal mystery, the eternal adventure. Chasing, explore the unexplored.